Walk.
I like to walk in the park. I like to walk in the park.
Run.
He runs in the morning. He runs in the morning.
Jump.
I can jump high. I can jump high.
Swim.
She wants to swim. She wants to swim.
Dance.
I dance for fun. I dance for fun.
Eat.
I eat bananas for breakfast. I eat bananas for breakfast.
Drink.
She drinks milk every morning. She drinks milk every morning.
Sing.
We love singing in the car. We love singing in the car.
Play.
I play with my toys. I play with my toys.
Read.
Do you like reading books? Do you like reading books?
Write.
She writes with a pen. She writes with a pen.
Talk.
We talk about our day. We talk about our day.
Listen.
I listen to music. I listen to music.
Cook.
Let's cook pasta for lunch. Let's cook pasta for lunch.
Bake.
I love baking muffins. I love baking muffins.
Drive.
I drive to work every day. I drive to work every day.
Repair.
My friend can repair phones. My friend can repair phones.
Organize.
Can you please organize food? Can you please organize food?
Wash.
I always wash my hands. I always wash my hands.
Exercise.
He exercises at the gym. He exercises at the gym.
Lift.
I try to lift weights at the gym. I try to lift weights at the gym.
Stretch.
Remember to stretch before exercising. Remember to stretch before exercising.
Plant.
Do you plant flowers in your garden? Do you plant flowers in your garden?
Water.
I water the flowers every day. I water the flowers every day.
Sew.
I sew clothes. I sew clothes.
Knit.
I knit scarves in winter. I knit scarves in winter.
Toss.
Let's toss a ball. Let's toss a ball.
Catch.
It's always fun to catch a ball. It's always fun to catch a ball.
Throw.
How far can you throw a stone? How far can you throw a stone?
Hug.
I hug you when you're sad. I hug you when you're sad.
Smile.
Can you smile for the camera? Can you smile for the camera?
Frown.
Why do you frown? Why do you frown?
Cry.
Don't cry. Don't cry.
Whisper.
You should whisper in a library. You should whisper in a library.
Point.
She is pointing at an avocado. She is pointing at an avocado.
Wave.
He waves his hand. He waves his hand.
Clap.
They are clapping for the bride. They are clapping for the bride.
Blink.
It's natural to blink often. It's natural to blink often.
Shake.
We shake hands to greet each other. We shake hands to greet each other.
Wait.
I don't like to wait. I don't like to wait.
Help.
Can you help me carry this box? Can you help me carry this box?
Volunteer.
She volunteers at the food bank. She volunteers at the food bank.
Hesitate.
Don't hesitate to ask me. Don't hesitate to ask me.
Decide.
Take your time to decide. Take your time to decide.
Think.
I think it's a good idea. I think it's a good idea.
Solve.
I hope to solve the problem. I hope to solve the problem.
Invent.
How can I invent something? How can I invent something?
Discover.
She wants to discover a cure. She wants to discover a cure.
Teach.
I teach math at the school. I teach math at the school.
Learn.
They learn new words every day. They learn new words every day.
Dream.
I dream of a better future. I dream of a better future.
Apologize.
Should I apologize? Should I apologize?
Accept.
Please accept my apologies. Please accept my apologies.
Understand.
Do you understand French? Do you understand French?
Speak.
She speaks English and Spanish. She speaks English and Spanish.
Argue.
I don't want to argue with you. I don't want to argue with you.
Fight.
They used to fight over toys. They used to fight over toys.
Lose.
She decided to lose weight. She decided to lose weight.
Hurt.
It hurts when you have a sore throat. It hurts when you have a sore throat.
Push.
Push the button to start the machine. Push the button to start the machine.
Pull.
You push, I will pull. You push, I will pull.
Drop.
Drop the lime into the glass. Drop the lime into the glass.
Skip.
The children love to skip rope. The children love to skip rope.
Yawn.
I yawn when I am bored. I yawn when I am bored.
Sneeze.
Cover your mouth when you sneeze. Cover your mouth when you sneeze.
Cough.
Why are you coughing? Why are you coughing?
Blow.
She can blow out the candles. She can blow out the candles.
Punch.
He punches the bag at the gym. He punches the bag at the gym.
Make.
Can you make me a cup of coffee? Can you make me a cup of coffee?
Dice.
I'll dice onions for the salad. I'll dice onions for the salad.
Construct.
The team will construct a bridge. The team will construct a bridge.
Arrange.
You should arrange your schedule. You should arrange your schedule.
Sort.
You have to sort clothes by color. You have to sort clothes by color.
Dust.
I dust the house regularly. I dust the house regularly.
Sweep.
He sweeps the floor every Sunday. He sweeps the floor every Sunday.
Mop.
Did you mop the floor? Did you mop the floor?
Pack.
What are you going to pack? What are you going to pack?
Plan.
I plan the marketing campaign. I plan the marketing campaign.
Calculate.
Can you calculate the total cost? Can you calculate the total cost?
Measure.
He measures the waist with a ruler. He measures the waist with a ruler.
Count.
I can count to 10. I can count to 10.
Estimate.
I will estimate the price of the car. I will estimate the price of the car.
Predict.
We predict a successful outcome. We predict a successful outcome.
Analyze.
I analyze data for my work. I analyze data for my work.
Research.
They research the best solutions. They research the best solutions.
Experiment.
I want to experiment with different recipes. I want to experiment with different recipes.